Hello safety warriors, I'm Radiant Raya and today we're going to take your pedestrian safety skills to the next level. You already know how to cross safely, but now we'll dive into why crosswalks, underpasses and overpasses are the safest places to cross a street. Crosswalks are marked zones where pedestrians have the right of way. Vehicles must stop and allow you to cross, but always be cautious. Check both sides and make eye contact with drivers before stepping forward. Underpasses are tunnels beneath busy roads, allowing pedestrians to cross safely without interacting with traffic. They're especially useful at highways or high-speed roads. Overpasses are bridges built above roads, allowing pedestrians to cross safely from one side to another. They are ideal in areas with high-speed vehicles or traffic that rarely stops. Why are these crossings so effective? Crosswalks ensure vehicles stop for pedestrians, while underpasses and overpasses remove the need for interaction with traffic altogether. These solutions greatly reduce the risk of accidents. Let's look at some real-life examples. In busy cities like Delhi or Mumbai, overpasses and underpasses are key to keeping pedestrians safe in high-traffic areas. Even at crosswalks, it's essential to stay alert. Now it's your turn. Think about how you can promote pedestrian safety in your community. Design a short ad with a catchy slogan, showing why crosswalks, underpasses, and overpasses are essential for safety. Great job today, safety warriors! Always remember to use crosswalks, underpasses, and overpasses for safe crossings. Stay alert, stay safe, and make sure you spread the word in your community.